morning children. Suprabhat. I am PL Mishra. On behalf of Education for You is going to discuss about verb, that is doing what, and the part of the verb, that is transitive versus intransitive. Transitive verb versus intransitive verb. First of all, I shall have to know what is transitive. Transitive, it means the subject passes over the action towards the object. If there is object in the sentence, then it will be called as transitive verb. If you will not find object in this sentence, that is called intransitive verb. Then how can we get the transitive and intransitive? There is a short formula. You have to implement what, who, and whom in the sentence. If you get object, then that is called transitive verb. Let's come here. We have to discuss it bit by bit. Here, for example, he reads. That means he is reading completed here. The verb does not pass over the action towards the object. That is why it is intransitive. The next one, he reads well. But here is another one is well we found, but it is not transitive because it is how he reads. If you put question here, what does he read? There is no answer. If you put their question how he reads, then it will be he reads well. That means it is considered as adverb of manner. In adverb chapter, I will convince you details. Next come here, he reads the Ramayana. Here we find object. Ramayana is object. Why it is object? Because if we put here question what he reads, the answer will come object, that is Ramayana, the Ramayana. That is why it is transitive verb. And also you keep in your mind, only the transitive verb will be changed into passive voice. That means he reads the Ramayana, or it may be Ramayana is read by him. That is why it is completely transitive verb. Next come here, he played. What he played? The verb does not pass over the action towards the object. That is why it is intransitive. The next one is here, he played in the field. You may tell me, sir, here is object, field is there, but it is not transitive, it is intransitive. Because if I put here question what he played, here is no answer. And this one is phrase, or it is called adverb of place. That is why it is not recognized as transitive verb. Next come here, he played cricket. Here the verb passes over the action towards the object. Here we found cricket. That is why it is considered as transitive verb. Or if you put question here what he played, the answer will be he played cricket. Or if you convert it into passive voice, then it will be the cricket was played by him. So it is completely transitive verb. Next come here, he speaks. What he speaks? Whom he speaks? There is no answer. It is it is intransitive. The next one, he speaks slowly. He speaks slowly. If I put here question, what does he speak? There is no answer. It is not transitive. It is intransitive. And if I put here question, how does he speak? Then answer will come, he speaks slowly. That is why it is called adverb of manner, but not it is the transitive. It is completely intransitive. Let's come here. He speaks English. He speaks English. That means what does he speak? He speaks English. We got here object. That means it is the purely transitive. If I convert it into passive, then English is taught by him. That is why it is also transitive, not intransitive. Let's come here. He ran away. He ran away. He ran away. What? What? Who? Whom? No answer is here. That is why it is intransitive. The next one is he ran away there. Here is there is here. Also, if I put here question, what, who, whom, no satisfactory answer will come. If it will be, but it will be adverb of place. That is why it is not considered as transitive verb. Let's come here. He ran a race. Who ran a race? Then the answer will come. He ran a race. That is why it is transitive. And it will be changed into passive. How it will be changed into passive? A race was run by him. That is why it is completely transitive verb. Next come here. He eats. What he eats? No answer. Though it is complete sense is here, but no answer. No passing over answer is there towards the object. That is why it is intransitive. He eats twice a day. Here, twice a day came here, but it is not considered as transitive because he eats twice a day. It is the adverb of frequency. That is why it is not transitive verb. The next come here. He eats rice. What does he eat? The answer will come rice. If I change this one into passive, rice is eaten by him. That is why it is completely transitive verb. Ravan kicked. Next one. Ravan kicked. Ravan kicked. To whom? To whom Ravan kicked? No answer. That is why it is intransitive. Ravan kicked unruly, unduly. Ravan kicked unduly. How? The answer, if I put question here, what? No answer. If I put here question, how? The answer will come unduly. Ravan kicked unduly. That is why it is considered adverb of manner, but not it is transitive verb. Let's come here. Ravan kicked Bibhishan. Ravan kicked Bibhishan. Whom did Ravan kick? Ravan kicked Bibhishan. Here we got answer. That is why it is transitive. If I will change this one into passive, then it will possible. Look at here. Bibhishan was kicked by Ravan. So we have to admit this one is it as transitive verb. Next come here. Fisherman caught. What fisherman caught? No answer is there. That is why it is intransitive. The next one, fisherman caught in the river. The fisherman caught in the river. What? Whom? How? No answer. But if I put here where, the answer will come. That is where? That is river. So it is completely the place of adverb, but not it is the transitive one. But fishermen caught fishes in the river. The fishermen caught fishes in the river. If I put here question what, who and whom, the answer will come positively. What the fishermen catch? The fishermen caught fishes in the river. That is why it is completely transitive and it will be changed into passive. The fishes were caught by the fishermen in the river. That's why we have to admit this one as a transitive verb. Next come here, India defeated. India defeated whom? Who? What? No answer. If I will apply here what, who, whom, no answer is coming. India defeated. Yes. Next one we will have to judge whether it will be transitive or not. India defeated in Australia. Here is place is here. India defeated in Australia. If we put here question who, what, whom, then no answer will come. If I put here question where, the answer will come Australia. India defeated in Australia. That is why it is called adverb of place. But India defeated Australia. Next one, India defeated Australia. It is purely transitive because if I put question here who, then who defeated Australia, the answer will come India. India defeated Australia. That is why it is purely transitive and it may be changed into passive. That means Australia was defeated by India. I hope you all have understand this one. Next come here, both in transitive we find the sentences both in transitive, the verb both in transitive and intransitive. How it is making the sentences. I have taken one verb. Mind it, full verb always will be taken into transitive one, not intransitive. Next come here, he speaks the truth. He speaks the truth. The truth is here. Who speaks? The answer will come who. That is he. That is why it is transitive. But I will implement this one into intransitive sentence. How it will be happen here? He speaks loudly. He speaks loudly. If we put question what, who, whom, no answer will come. If we put here question how, the answer will come loudly. That is why it is completely intransitive. Next one, you come here, open the window, Ram. It is imperative sentence. Look at here. I have taught you imperative sentence. Open the window, Ram. Here is comma. After comma, Ram is here. That means it is transitive. Why transitive? Who opened the window? Ram opened the window. That is why it is completely transitive. But that open will be used in intransitive sentence. He opened the window suddenly. Not window, but he opened suddenly. He opened suddenly. But here, no transitive. It was completely intransitive. Next come here. The wind broke the big tree. The wind broke the big tree. What did the wind do? What did the wind break? That answer will come the big tree. That means here the subject passes over. The subject passes over towards the object. Here we got object. That is why it is completely transitive. But here the same word, that is wind, we have to use here. The wind here blew fiercely. The wind blew fiercely. That means here, how does the wind blow? The answer will come, the wind blew fiercely. It is the adverb of manner, or the adverb of manner. That is why it can't be considered as transitive. It is considered as intransitive. Let's come here. There are some intransitive verbs. They are reflexive intransitive verb that should be discussed, but that can't be considered as transitive one. The children made merry. The children made merry. That means the themselves who will come reflexive pronoun. In pronoun chapter, I'll convince you. That is why it is considered as intransitive verb. The children made merry. That means the children made themselves merry. It can't be considered as transitive. Next, we come here. The machine started working. The machine started working. That means the machine started itself working. That's why it can't be considered as transitive. It is intransitive. Next one, you come here. Transitive used as intransitive. Sometimes transitive also used as intransitive. How the effect is coming here. Look at here. He likes himself sitting alone. He likes himself sitting alone. Himself is here, but it can't be considered as object because it is the reflexive words. It is reflected by the subject. That's why it can't be considered. That is why the transitive verb sometimes used as intransitive. It is the one of the example. Next one, he enjoys good health. He enjoys good health. It is also same things. Though it is transitive, it is used as intransitive. Next, come here. You found there are some transitive verb and there is some transitive based sentence where we found two objects. How two objects are acted here. Look at here. I am taking one of the example. X narrated Y a story. I have told you, first of all, whenever we are going to change into active to passive, first of all, the things will be taken into account, then the person. But here how it is happening, and you keep in your mind, it is very important. Noun and pronoun will be taken in subject as and consider the transitive verb. Here X narrated Y a story, but you may write X narrated a story to Y. X narrated Y a story, or X narrated a story to Y. Last one, I am telling you, keep in your mind, the be verb always remain in intransitive. This is all about my teaching. I hope if anybody likes my teaching, do subscribe and share their friends and relatives. Thanks.